Hello guys, here's Shuli and you're welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make a delicious simple curry of rich gourd and potato. It's so simple to make and so delicious to eat. So simple that you can make it every day. So guys, let's see the recipe. At first, I have taken two potatoes and three rich gourds. I peeled them off, and after peeling, I washed them and cut them into pieces. You can see how I peeled them. I didn't peel them 100%. I kept some to keep some crunchiness, but you may peel them fully, there's no problem. And I took two potatoes, and after peeling them off, I cut them into pieces, and after that, I washed them properly. So here are the things we need to arrange, and now I'm adding some cooking oil in the pan, and in this oil we're going to fry the potatoes first. Along with the veggies, I prepared some onion, garlic and some tomatoes as well. I'm showing them one by one. So without any salt or turmeric powder, we need to fry them until a nice red color. I chopped the potatoes into fine slices to maintain the cooking time along with the rich gourds. So now they're fried well. I'm taking them off in the same plate of rich gourds. So after taking them off, in the same pan, I'm going to add some more cooking oil for gravy. After the oil is heated well, I'm adding some tadka, half teaspoon of cumin seeds and half teaspoon of mustard seeds. After they're crackled well, we need to add some onion. I have taken two medium-sized onions, finely chopped, and actually I forgot to add some bay leaves. So now I'm going to add two bay leaves after adding onion. Please add them along with the mustard seeds and cumin seeds. I'm making a hole in the onion, and now I'm adding two bay leaves. I tore them, and after adding bay leaves, I'm mixing everything well. And we need to fry the onions until nice light brown color. That means brown color to be started. So after mixing well, I'm waiting for some time, and after about 1 to 1.5 minutes, I'm adding about 1 tablespoonful of crushed garlic. You may add garlic paste as you wish, or if you want to add ginger, you may add it. There's no problem, but I'm skipping that to avoid the richness of the curry. So after the raw flavor of garlic is gone, now I'm adding two tomatoes, finely chopped. And after adding tomatoes, we need to add some salt according to taste so that the tomato starts to release the water quickly. So after adding salt, we need to mix everything well, and you may cover for some time, and after that we need to add some more spices. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, red chili powder according to taste, and half teaspoon of garam masala. These are the spices we need to add, and now I'm mixing everything well. It seems very dry, so I'm adding some water, very little quantity of water I'm adding. And after adding water, we need to mix everything well again, and after that we need to cover the pan for some time, for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium to low heat, so that the spices can be cooked well and tomatoes can be soft well. So after about 2 minutes, all the water is dried up and all the oil is above the spices mixture. So after mixing well, we need to add the veggies, the fried potatoes and that rich gourds. Now we need to mix well again, not very well, roughly. And after mixing, we need to add some water for gravy, for cooking the vegetables and the gravy. So I'm adding some water according to my assumption. Water should be in the quantity that how thick or how thin you want your gravy to be. So after adding water, I'm covering the pan for some time, for about 10 to 12 minutes. After about 13 minutes, all the veggies are cooked well. I'm checking and showing you. You may see potatoes are cooked well and rich gourds are also cooked well. So at the end of this recipe, we need to add some fresh coriander leaves finely chopped to enhance the flavor of the curry. After adding coriander leaves, we need to boil the curry for another 1 minute. So I'm covering the pan for just 1 minute, and after 1 minute, our curry is ready. The gravy consistency is also perfect for me. So our curry is ready. Today I'm not going to serve the curry for showing because I'm in a hurry. So guys, try this simple recipe at home and don't forget to share your experience with me. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to meet you in the next video. Bye bye.